two-time Oscar winner Hilary Swank, and we're both big animal lovers, and we thought we'd play a game based on celebrity, but instead of celebrity, we're going to show pictures of animals. And so we have a stack of animals, and we have to get the other one to guess what we're trying to what animal it is, just by making the animal noise.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so we have 45 seconds on the clock. I'm trying to get you to guess this. You hold it up above your head.
As long as it's not a cat dressed up as a dog or vice versa.
Here we go
I
again.
won't get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I hold it up
45 seconds on the clock. Go. Quack, 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 quack.
Duck.
Okay.
Oh, I throw it down?
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Turkey. Monkey.
Yep.
Cow.
Yeah.
You're good at this. Ow. Chicken.
Yep. Donut.
Shark.
Donut. Yep.
A horse.
Yeah.
Scared. Snake.
Ribbit.
Frog. Doggy. Hey. Look at mess your floor.
All right.
My turn.
All right. Ready?
Ready.
45 seconds on the clock. Go. Is that a turkey? Rooster.
Yeah. I did a warming up.
But bee.
Yeah.
Wolf. I don't know what that was when you
That
put
was a
your butt up.
stinger.
All right.
You don't get it? You just want me to do it again, don't you?
No.
Please. Sometimes they talk. They talk.
A parrot?
Yeah.
What is that noise?
You knew what that was.
Yes, but not a.
Okay, ready?
It's the same as a parrot.
I'm sounding like a crow.
Yeah, it's like sometimes
Okay,
they
so
talk.
maybe I failed the animal test. Jeez.
Oh, don't get so mad. You have two Oscars.
Oh, look, there was a
It's-
crow. How do you make that different than a parrot?
Well, a parrot doesn't
This
go.
is a very difficult show to be on. It's stressing me out.
Oh, go cry to your Oscars. All right.